Undet for SketchUp tips and tricks. Transparency coloring settings. To start any 3D modeling project based on 3D point cloud data requires scanned object analysis to understand the main walls and contours. The most popular coloring settings when working with 3D point clouds are coloring by true colors or by intensity values, as in this video example. But such coloring is sometimes not necessarily the clearest, and it is often difficult to understand the visible geometry of the object. As you can see with a wide clipping box cut of the floor plan view, it's hard clearly to see the main contours. So instead of making a narrow cut, you can try to use black and white coloring with transparency settings enabled. Transparency settings can be made very easily by selecting the grayscale coloring type, opening the coloring settings dialog and moving the transparency slider to the best view position around 70 to 90%. Such coloring settings will especially help to better understand the configuration of floor plans when creating interior models. As you see in this view, the main walls are clearly visible. All that remains, just to do the vectorization work of inner walls and pull the 3D model. I speeded up the vectorization work because all the contours are clearly visible and there is no hesitation, all that remains is to draw them. Everything's super simple and fast. Having contours, all you have to do is pull the 3D geometry, and you have the 3D model of main walls. Thanks for watching and see you next time.